Are you struggling to get rid of that stubborn belly fat? You know, the kind that seems to hang on no matter what you do? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle with this, and it can be incredibly frustrating. But what if I told you that there are proven strategies that can help you finally achieve a flatter, more toned stomach? And what if I told you that these strategies don't involve crazy crash diets or spending hours at the gym? In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 science-backed tips that can help you shed that belly fat and get the results you've been looking for. One of the most effective ways to lose belly fat is to increase your protein intake. Protein is a crucial macronutrient that plays a significant role in weight management and overall health. By incorporating more protein into your diet, you can not only shed those extra pounds around your midsection, but also improve your muscle mass and energy levels. Why is protein so important? Protein is made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of your muscles and tissues. When you consume protein, it helps repair and build muscle, which is essential for maintaining a healthy metabolism. Well, for starters, it helps you feel fuller for longer, which means you're less likely to overeat and consume excess calories. This feeling of satiety can be a game changer for those who struggle with constant hunger and cravings. By keeping you satisfied, protein helps you stick to your dietary goals more easily. Protein also helps boost your metabolism, turning your body into a fat-burning machine. When you eat protein, your body has to work harder to digest it compared to fats and carbohydrates. This process, known as the thermic effect of food, means you burn more calories simply by eating protein. Think of it this way. When you consume protein, your body has to work harder to digest it, and that extra effort burns more calories. This not only aids in weight loss, but also helps in maintaining a lean physique. It's like giving your metabolism a little nudge in the right direction. Over time, this can lead to significant changes in your body composition and overall health. But that's not all. Protein also helps preserve your lean muscle mass, which is important because the more muscle you have, the more calories you burn at rest. This is crucial for long-term weight management and overall fitness. So how can you incorporate more protein into your diet? It might seem challenging at first, but with a few simple changes, you can easily boost your protein intake. It's easier than you think. Start by planning your meals around protein sources. This could mean having eggs for breakfast, a chicken salad for lunch, and a fish dish for dinner. Start by including protein-rich foods in every meal. This ensures that you're getting a steady supply of protein throughout the day, which can help keep your metabolism active and your hunger at bay. Lean meats like chicken and turkey are great sources. They are not only high in protein, but also low in fat, making them ideal for weight loss. As are fish like salmon and tuna. These fish are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which have numerous health benefits, including reducing inflammation and improving heart health. And don't forget about plant-based options like beans, lentils, and tofu. These are excellent sources of protein for vegetarians and vegans, and they come with the added benefits of fiber and essential nutrients. These are all excellent sources of protein that can help you on your journey to a flatter tummy. By making protein a central part of your diet, you can achieve your weight loss goals more effectively and enjoy a healthier, more energetic lifestyle. Now, let's talk about exercise. Exercise is a crucial component of any fitness journey, especially when it comes to burning fat and boosting your metabolism. It's not just about moving your body, it's about moving it in the right way to maximize results. And when it comes to blasting away belly fat, high-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is your new best friend. HIIT is a game changer because it combines short bursts of intense activity with periods of rest, making it incredibly efficient. HIIT workouts are designed to torch calories and keep your metabolism revved up long after you've finished exercising. This is known as the afterburn effect, where your body continues to burn calories even when you're at rest. So, what exactly is HIIT? It's a type of workout that involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. This method is highly effective because it pushes your body to adapt and improve. It's a type of workout that involves short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. This alternating pattern of high and low intensity is what makes HIIT so effective for fat loss. This alternating pattern of high and low intensity is what makes HIIT so effective for fat loss. By constantly challenging your body, you prevent it from hitting a plateau, ensuring continuous progress. Here's an example of a simple yet powerful HIIT workout. Start with 30 seconds of intense sprinting in place, followed by 15 seconds of rest. Repeat this cycle for 10 to 15 minutes. Start with 30 seconds of intense sprinting in place, followed by 15 seconds of rest. This might sound easy, but those short bursts of effort will get your heart rate up quickly, followed by 15 seconds of rest. During this rest period, focus on catching your breath and preparing for the next round. It's important to give your all during the intense intervals. Repeat this cycle for 10 to 15 minutes. It might not seem like a long time, but the intensity of the workout will make it challenging and effective. You can also incorporate other exercises like burpees, jumping jacks, and mountain climbers into your HIIT routine. These exercises engage multiple muscle groups and increase the overall intensity of your workout. And mountain climbers into your HIIT routine. The variety keeps things interesting and ensures that you're working different parts of your body. The key is to push yourself to your limit during those intense intervals. It's during these moments of maximum effort that you'll see the most significant improvements in your fitness and fat loss. Remember, the harder you work, the more calories you'll burn. It's all about giving it your best shot and pushing through the discomfort. And the best part? HIIT workouts are typically shorter than traditional cardio sessions, so you can get in a great workout even if you're short on time. This makes it perfect for busy schedules, allowing you to stay fit without spending hours at the gym. Daishi. Chapter 3. Prioritize sleep. The surprising key to unlocking fat loss. You might be surprised to learn that getting enough sleep is crucial for losing belly fat. Many people focus solely on diet and exercise, but sleep is the often overlooked third pillar of a successful weight loss strategy. That's right. When it comes to achieving a trim and toned physique, sleep is just as important as diet and exercise. Without adequate rest, your body struggles to recover and perform at its best, making it harder to shed those extra pounds. Why is sleep so important for weight loss? The answer lies in the complex interplay of hormones and bodily functions that are regulated during sleep. Well, when you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can lead to increased belly fat storage. Elevated cortisol levels signal your body to conserve energy, storing more fat, particularly around the midsection. Not only that, but lack of sleep also disrupts your hunger hormones, making you feel hungrier and more likely to crave unhealthy foods. Ghrelin, the hormone that stimulates appetite, increases, while leptin, the hormone that signals fullness, decreases. To optimize your body's fat-burning potential, aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This allows your body to go through all the necessary sleep cycles, including deep sleep and REM, which are crucial for physical and mental recovery. This might mean establishing a regular sleep schedule, going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Consistency helps regulate your body's internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and wake up naturally. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine, such as reading a book, meditating, or taking a warm bath. These activities can signal to your body that it's time to wind down and prepare for sleep. And making sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. A comfortable sleep environment can significantly improve the quality of your sleep, helping you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Remember, sleep is not a luxury. It's essential for your overall health and well-being, including your weight loss goals. By prioritizing sleep, you're setting yourself up for success in your fitness journey and beyond. So there you have it. 3 proven tips that can help you finally get rid of that stubborn belly fat. Remember, consistency is key. Don't expect overnight results, but if you stick with these strategies, you'll start to see amazing changes in your body. Implement these tips into your daily routine and watch the belly fat melt away. You've got this. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more fitness and nutrition tips, and share this video with your friends who are also on a mission to achieve a healthier, happier them. Until next time, stay fit and focused.